Hello everyone, welcome to a glorious day here in South Kerry. We're really blessed with the weather here today, and I'm bringing you a really important roof update. So last time we spoke we were talking about the chimneys and how we needed them to be completed and then the scaffolding to come down before we could start reslating the roof. Well, if I turn my camera around, you can see that slate work is well and truly underway. The lads have been flat out all this week and a bit of last week getting this done. So this is the eastern facade? Yes, this is the eastern facade of the house, which is approaching completion. And then, if I bring you to the west, you'll be able to get a sense of what that will look like, hopefully within the next couple of days, because this side is pretty much done. And it is immensely satisfying to see the roof at this stage, having been open for so long, having had rain pouring through for literally months at this stage, to see these slates going back on and these gorgeous chimney stacks fully rebuilt, fully re-rendered. It makes my heart sing. So lots of progress today, and I'm going to show you the next piece of progress in just 1 second, so stand by. The next piece of work we want to talk about is this western facade. So if you've been following this channel for a while, you'll notice that this actually looks quite different from what it used to just a couple of weeks ago. And that's because we've been busy repairing the mortar on the outside of the cement, rather, where it's been chipped away, and painting it. So Gauthier actually has been busy doing that. I've done very little there. You can see, if I bring you over here to the bay window on the side of the house, and there's still some repairs left to be done here, but areas like this above the window, which had been more or less completely broken off due to the expansion of the metal beams inside it, areas like this, which had huge holes chased out of the side of the wall, we had to fill all of them, sand them back, even them, and then Gauthier has been busy painting, and he's going to continue in that fashion today with the front of the house. So Gauthier has been really busy repairing these coving details. I don't know what you would call these actually. Similar to the side of the house, these had been pretty neglected and the corners had started to crumble and fail. They were covered in layers and layers of pretty awful red and green paint. So Gauthier had to do some pretty extensive repair work to these and has started the painting process. You can see him up there somewhere. And by the end of the day, he hopes to have the rest of the front of the building completed. So this will really make the house sing. Once that scaffolding comes down, it will start to look more like a habitable space. And even though there's a huge amount of work still to be done, this is a massive step forward. With the lid on, chimney secured, house painted and bramble free and ivy free and patched up. You know, really positive stuff happening here today. show what they looked like before.
Yeah. So we finished painting the facade, and one thing we noticed, or rather one thing we felt, is that by painting, how would you call that? Sort of cornices, molded details above the bay windows, by painting them the same color as the wall, it does feel a bit bland. And they were previously painted a very dark green as opposed to the yellow that was used on the facade. So they used to pop quite a lot. So it would take some getting used to having them in a more neutral color. But we do think that, you know, they would benefit from being in a contrasting color. So we did get a contrasting color earlier today in Corkery's lovely hardware shop in town, and I've already painted this one here in that contrasting color. But to be honest, as you can tell, or rather cannot tell, doesn't make much of a difference. So this one was called Spinifex, and we are going one shade darker. So we went back in town, got a new pot of a new color called Old Bone, and it is a slightly one shade darker anyway from the one that we've used there. So stay tuned and let's see if that new contrasting color does a better job at contrasting.
Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, please consider liking and commenting below. If you want to receive notifications, hit the bell symbol underneath. And if you really like this video, please hit the hype button. Your support really helps this channel and it really means a lot to us. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next one.